My video guide is about getting rid of the fake Chrome update notifications that are related to the site storenewestoverlytheproduct.vip. Now, this is a deceptive site that may attack your Google Chrome browser. storenewestoverlytheproduct.vip may try to make you think that you need to download and install some Chrome update. But dealing with these so-called Chrome updates is risky and dangerous. Because of that, your computer may be infected with a lot of potentially unwanted programs like adware or browser hijackers. So do not ever interact with these fake Chrome update notifications. Don't install anything that they suggest. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, then go to the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for proper detection and removal of all other possibly hidden threats. Get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly be hidden on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.